Cancer Walk. We are committed to helping everyone who is dealing with cancer keep their glow and look forward to seeing you May 3rd.
Where the biggest news in Wisconsin is weather, the Fox 6 Storm Center is on it. Count on the Fox 6 Storm Center because you matter.
Looking fabulous.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued this as a test message. Test tornado warning for all of Wisconsin until 2 p.m. This is a test message. At 1:41 p.m., no severe weather was occurring or expected. This is only a drill. This drill is part of